In this video I will be talking about a 4-season sci-fi series called Battlestar Galactica. The first season premiered in 2003 and the other 3 followed in the next few years. Although it is now 18 years old, I do not hesitate to recommend this as one of the best and most varied sci-fi series. If you haven't seen it, I strongly recommend to seek it out and watch it. This video is going to show how fast the Galactica falls in the Battle on New Caprica. This took some time to figure out, but with the help from the internet, I reckon I'll be able to give you guys a pretty good calculation. So let's start. The time for when Galactica jumps into New Caprica to when it jumps out is 42 seconds. Now if we look at the start of the jump, Galactica is not on fire from friction, which means that there's no air or very minimal amounts, which means that it jumped in at the edge of New Caprica's atmosphere. The reason I know this is because if Galactica jumped in while stationary, it would have taken a lot longer to fall the distance. And we know that the distance is because we hear this guy say it to Hilo 17 seconds after jumping to New Caprica.
Altitude 99,000, falling like a rock. Launch them all. And by FTL.
Now the edge of space starts at about 100 kilometers up on Earth, and since New Caprica seems to have the same mass and properties of Earth, we will assume the same for it. Now the guy does not mention the unit of measurement, but I will assume it's kilometers because they also use other measurements, same as ours, such as years, days, hours, minutes, and so on. So taking all these things into account, and with the help of the internet, and by looking at the footage, I would say that Galactica is going around Mach 8 or 10,000 kilometers an hour, or around 2.7 kilometers per second. This means that it would have already been going at Mach 8 when it FTL jumped at about 113 kilometers above New Caprica. So actually the Galactica was getting slowed down by the air instead of speeding up, because it was falling bottom down, which created an extreme amount of drag, with its big surface area being around 1,450 meters long and 500 meters wide. The reason Adama wanted to do this was because if he went any slower, the Cylons would have had a lot more time to attack Galactica and do damage with their weapons, and jumping any lower would have given the Cylons time to attack Galactica before it was able to deploy its Vipers. I hope this video gave you the information that you were seeking, and if I was randomly and you recommend it and you have no idea what I just said and what I was talking about, well, good day to you.